In this series, But What About AirCrete, I'm going to be answering your most frequently asked and often overlooked questions. We've been living and building and teaching AirCrete for years now, and with the state of the world and the economy and the uncertain times, there's never been a better time for you to get your own home affordably built that's going to keep you comfortable. So rather than do what most people do and talk out of our butt, can AirCrete withstand rain? Well, when it's first poured, it's important to not let it rain in the AirCrete because it could dilute it, even though I've seen it stand up to being flooded momentarily. But generally, after it is set for 20 hours, it's fine. In fact, it's even good for it to be rained on. It only makes it cure more strong.